And for the longest time, believe it or not, even I wondered, who do I listen to? This guy seems to say one thing, that guy seems to say another thing, and in the midst of all of this, the research seems to say something else completely.
I didn't know it was over. Take care of you.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I thought we should be discussing about some of the top social media handles, accounts, influencers as people call them, that we should be following to get the best in the fitness, health, wellness space. Let's get one thing clear. Stay away from influencers whose main job or whose main purpose is to influence content creators with no skin in the game. Stay close to people with skin in the game, but influencing or sharing content is an extension of their real life. Enjoy the content from everybody, but pay attention to the content whose lives depend on this and who have more subject matter knowledge. Stay close to people who really have something to lose if they tell something wrong, right? By this I mean founders, CEOs, professionals in the fitness, wellness, health space, people who own companies or run companies or belong to companies. Stay close to researchers, scientists. Also stay close to doctors who are studying nutrition, biology and all of those. But sometimes influencers also work, and I will be telling you what kind of influencers work. I have personally seen me following some ridiculous clickbaity videos that pop up on my feed, to moving to going to websites, to moving to reading articles, to moving to researching, learning from the main source of information itself, which is doctors, people who have done it, and people who continuously push the envelope and try and give you the cream of the information. Also, the job of the influencer is to bridge the gap between the actual science or the actual field and bring it out to the general public, which is people like us. But the job of the other category of people that I spoke to you about is to actually represent the field itself. So that is a critical distinction. Now I'm going to get to the list. Please understand that there's a theme to the list. Every single influencer that I'm talking to you about is a person who goes into the depth, is a person who has some amount of equity in the industry. Alright, this is not a person who is here to gain a following, make a quick buck and move along. Yes, you can click that follow button of whoever you like, but who you should be consuming and where your weightage should be is, I think, these kind of folks. And best example for this, I just kind of thought about this, would be if I wanted to learn acting, would I go to an acting coach or subscribe to an acting coach's YouTube channel, or would I go to a TikTok influencer and learn acting from him? So analyze it that way. The first account that is a must and should follow is Athlean-X. I'm pretty sure most of you have seen or have come across Athlean-X. Jeff Cavaliere is the proprietor and he basically runs the show. I've seen a couple of his ads on YouTube. I don't think he necessarily needs that, but my god, this guy is an absolute mammoth when it comes to going to the depth of training. His concentration is towards exercise, training, building muscle, cutting fat, doing the right exercise for the right muscle to get the right look, and his subject matter knowledge and his field more so lies in training. So if you are a person that wants to kind of improvise on training, Jeff Cavaliere, Athlean-X is a must and must follow. I haven't seen another account or another social media handle close to his level of judicious analysis of facts and figures and going to the depth of every topic. So yes, Jeff Cavaliere is a must follow, especially when it comes to training. Alright, let's move to the diet side of things. The second account that I think you must be following is Dr. Eric Berg. Again, the doctor in front of his name actually adds a lot, but I think there are many people who take that as an opportunity to scam people as well. But Dr. Eric Berg, as far as I have seen, nothing close to it. This person has subject matter expertise and his content more so revolves around dieting, flexible dieting lifestyle, eating habits, ketosis, intermittent fasting, different types of diets that you can incorporate to get that edge. And he goes to the nitty-gritties, to the depths of the science, of the biology, of the chemistry, and of the physics also, to give you the right answer, justification, and also solve your general life problems with diet as the microscope. Dr. Eric Berg, when it comes to diets, flexible dieting lifestyle, when it comes to macros, when it comes to ketosis, intermittent fasting, different diets, he's the king. You should follow Dr. Eric Berg, and yeah, it'll be amazing. Alright, Jeff Cavalier helps you. Dr. Eric Berg also kind of helps you. But what really matters to you is to consume content or hear out a person who has actually been through the whole process of bodybuilding, because they go through a lot: bulking, cutting, optimizing diets, changing their body, their looks almost on a yearly basis. So in this regard, bodybuilding and information surrounding that will actually help you guys, and it helped me also when I was doing the bulks and cuts and learning more about what to eat, what products to eat more, what kind of exercises should I do with what equipment and all of that. So in this regard, Jeff Nippard claims himself to be a natural bodybuilder, highly debatable in today's circumstances. But that aside, steroids and anabolics and all of that aside, I think his content is really good. He digs deep, presents it beautifully, and with the center and core being building the body. Although his content is mixed, my focus of information on these folks will be how they actually got that physique, and everything that has to do with training and volume and reps and sets and all of those things. And yeah, Jeff Nippard, that's the guy for you if you want to explore the space of bodybuilding. Wonderful videos from his side. The next social media account is Thomas DeLauer. I'm going to keep things very short about him. These are the folks that I would refrain from following because they're pure influencers, but one of the rare sights in the field would be to find somebody who actually knows his shit, and Thomas really does. And his specialty is intermittent fasting and keto, and more so dieting. But the guy is jacked and his videos are absolutely detailed, so I think you should be considering giving this guy a follow as well. So Thomas DeLauer, try and give him a follow. Some of his videos are really insightful. Alright, the last guy is the best. This social media account is called BioLane. This is from Lane Norton. He runs many concerns with regards to training, coaching, dieting, and even getting people ready for bodybuilding shows. The best thing about him is he does not profess any one single thing like me. I wouldn't say do keto, I wouldn't say do intermittent fasting, I wouldn't say follow 6 meals a day kind of a routine. Everything has to fit into your lifestyle. This person is very educated, a veteran in the field, and he cuts through the bullshit straight up and feeds you the right information. And in fact, if I compare all 5, I would rather look forward to BioLane's content. He will take you to another world when it comes to information regarding fitness, health, food and wellness, and everything related. So yes, BioLane is a must follow. Those were the top 5 accounts that I believe in this age are producing good content. Feel free to add more of your own, but the underlying concept should be clear. These are people with number 1 skin in the game, and their content, just watch one video from all these folks. They're long, they're in-depth, and they're analytic, and they're based on reason, logic, and no persuasion, no gimmicks, nothing of that sort. If you find more folks that match these 5 and the underlying theme, then that's wonderful, and that is who you should be following. Hopefully this video helped you out. This is the time to learn. Most of us are lying free anyways, and yeah, make the most of it. Learn your basics, learn everything that you need to in the right manner, and you will be amazed how much of a difference it makes. If you like the video, drop a like, comment, share if you want, and yeah, don't forget subscribing. I'll be back with some more interesting, exciting videos soon. See you guys. Bye bye.